Ọkwa na-ekwu nke o kwuru okwukwe ọzọ. Be proud of your identity. Be proud of your identity. Your identity is your language. Look at this particular boy. This boy is not born in Nigeria. This boy were born in Belgium. The mother is from Belgium. He were born in Belgium. But this boy speaks Igbo fluently, without mistake. His brother also speaks Igbo fluently. Their father is an Igbo man. How did he train them? And they began to speak Igbo fluently. Nwanne, ọ na-adịkwa mma to be proud of your identity. That is, train your child or your children to learn your mother tongue language. That is your identity. For them to begin to speak your mother tongue language. That is your identity. Evangelist Chukwuebuka Anozie Obi is very proud of these guys. The way they speak, according to him, that since yesterday, he was creating attention for him to talk to him. And behold, today, he has called his attention and begin to address to them. Now he get to understand that these two guys, that the boy himself and his brother were not even just Nigeria. They were born in Belgium. But because their father is a Nigerian, they become a Nigerian. And now they can speak Igbo language fluently and also speaks their language. So, what is your identity and the legacy you are keeping for your children? You should also learn from what is happening now. He is not the only one. There are many that came with the same manner or have the same character or whatsoever, but he was able to create attention, and that attention magneted to the prophet, which brings about calling him to talk to him. Now he identified himself to the man of God and also identified his brother. Not only, but also identified his father to the man of God, whom everybody, how many millions of people that were there now, all were intending to see him one-on-one discussion. But because of the attention this man or this boy has created, attracted such, and he has now given them appointment that they're going to see one-on-one before they will go back. It's amazing. It's amazing. If this is your first time of watching, like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube. As you are doing so, God bless you. Now, when you look at their discussion, you find out he asking his name, where he's come from, and so on. He replied all these things fluently. He's from Imo State. What about your children? Are you teaching them your mother tongue language? Just like Yorubas we are doing. If you have examined yourself or maybe make an inquiry, you will find out that anywhere you see a Yoruba man or a Yoruba woman and they want to interact with them, their first language of reply to you, or even the first thing they will speak to you, is their language. What is the problem between Igbos and the such phenomena? This is an important character that everybody should learn and possess, even to leave the legacy of that to their offspring as well. I don't know what is holding us. As you're watching this video, you're going to confirm everything you see. What I'm telling you is not cock and bull story, but sin is a believing. God bless you, and thank you for your watching. Subscribe to my YouTube for more updates. I love you. 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 You are my strength. God bless you.